think about your CRM, and then think of everything else that is client-facing, like sharing resources at the right time, and building action plans, tracking deadlines of these actions, identifying new stakeholders, starting new threads with those people. Reunify all of this in a deal room that works in sync with your CRM, or possibly any tool in your rev stack so that it becomes fully autonomous. So a deal room or a digital sales room is an automatically generated, personalized workspace shared with a single URL. It holds any resource that helps sales team get to yes, or any action plan or content that helps your CS team and buyers get to use. Basically, all the back and forth that would have been lost inside long email threads will now live inside this link, while you, on the other hand, can track who's inside and exactly what they're interested in. So you can set any action in your workflow to trigger a deal room to be created. So here's my HubSpot pipeline, and here's the Nike deal that I'm currently working on. Notice that inside the deal I have the contact card and a company's card, which are HubSpot defaults, but I also have a flows card which comes here once I connect my HubSpot account with my Flowla account. So here we have this workflow trigger to create a new deal room once the deal is moved to demo health stage. If I go and refresh this, I'll now see that a deal room has been created and associated with this deal in my pipeline. Flowla uses all the information inside this deal to select which template it is and to also personalize the way the flow looks. So this is designed for my target company, even has the first name of my target account right here inside this flow. In addition to creating this deal room on AutoPilot, you could also send this on AutoPilot and even follow up in a few days on AutoPilot. So we have another workflow that runs, and it will be sending the flow to the contacts inside this deal when my deal hits the next stage. So I changed the deal, now I'm refreshing this. Flowla runs on the backend, gets the flow link, and sends an email to the contacts from my work email, which I have connected to my Flowla account. And it even logs this email to HubSpot so that no action gets lost and everything is logged here. Another interesting workflow that you might enjoy is to let buyer behavior inside the deal room update or change your CRM, like deal stages, like custom properties, or any other thing that you can think of. This deal is in evaluation stage, and the next stage is POC readiness. And to make sure that is the case, you have a form inside your flow that's collecting information. So once a user submits this form and completes this action, this could trigger your CRM to update the stage of this deal. Let me refresh this page to the next stage. So your actions inside your CRM can manipulate what you have in the deal room. Buyer's actions in the deal room can manipulate the CRM. Any newly identified contact inside the deal room will be created under your deal, and all of this will happen with no rep involvement. So we at Flowla are helping you build a revenue engine that scales with less human dependency and that is not error prone. If this is interesting, please give Flowla a try.